Hi guys, how are you today? I'm gonna show you how to enter your device to the recovery mode. In some cases that you have to restore or update your device and you don't know the passcode of your device, you should enter your device into the recovery mode, then try to use iTunes to restore or update the device. For all devices up to iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, you should connect your device to the computer, hold power and home button until the device restarts and enter to the recovery mode. When you see this screen, the iTunes has detected the device successfully and you can restore your device. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you should connect your device to the computer. Hold power and volume down key. Again, you see the Apple logo. Then you see the lightning cable on your device and the iTunes has detected your device. For iPhone 8, 8 Plus, SA series 2 and 3 and devices with Face ID, you should press volume up, then volume down, then keep holding power button to restart the device. When the device restarts, you should keep holding power button plus volume down to enter to the recovery mode. In this page, you can restore your device with the iTunes. Thank you for watching our video.